Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today I want to show you this folding beach chair that supports 300 pounds. You can see that this one is pretty compact, pretty lightweight as well, but it supports 300 pounds. The way you're going to use this one is actually pretty easy. Go to the beach, just like stay at the beach. You do this and you have a nice folding chair that, again, it is compact, lightweight, easy to carry, and supports 300 pounds. Let's take a close look. So with this one, you see a couple of things that I really like. Kind of like the fabric looks kind of like, yeah, kind of like the ocean or something like that. So it's very fresh, I want to say, appealing to the eye. But also this one is going to be this really nice and elastic mesh. So what happened with this one, if you're coming out of the water or from the sea or something like that and you're dripping, this one will drip under the chair. So it's not going to stay wet for a long time. So you can actually put it in the car back again. This one also comes with this plastic on the sides, meaning that this one is going to be kind of like padded somehow. And you also have a nice metal frame that is foldable, and you can just take it with you on the go with that shoulder strap that I showed you before. So for 300 pounds, that is compact, lightweight, easy to carry, you can just drop it in the trunk of your car or something like that, or your SUV or your truck, and just take it to the beach, like 3, 4 of this one for your family and friends. Comfortable, reliable, nice and easy to chill at the sea with this one at the beach, or camping or hiking or fishing. It's a good one. I like it and I do recommend it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.